Welcome to this lesson, guys. Today we're gonna draw this simple illustration with a few trees. This time is slightly more complicated, but it's not hard. So let's begin. Now let's pick the brush, go here to sketching and select 6B pencil. The size to 100% here and the color to pure black. To begin this drawing, start with one simple curvy line. This will do the job perfectly fine. Now zoom in a little bit, and as you can see, I don't try to create the perfect straight line like this. I draw it a little curvy like this, because that gives a very organic feel. Now we need to draw 3 bumps. Start from here and draw one simple arc like this. Now draw another one a little bit bigger than this one. Finish the shape like this. And the third one, the last one, from here. Like this. You can even continue the line here to be the same like the one on the left. Now let's draw and the simple trees. We'll draw 3 trees, one here, and one here, all in the center. Let's begin with the first one. Around here, draw simple curvy line like this. And now draw some simple strokes. Leave some space down here. Let's do the same and on the other bumps. Finish here. Now let's draw the strokes. Okay, this will do the job. And the last one here. There we go. Now to make this image more interesting, here at the background we'll draw more trees, but this time less visible. How to do that? Well, we'll basically draw the same trees, but this time we will not press the pencil too much. Just very little pressure. Like this. And now let's color these bumps here. Now tilt the pencil like this and don't press too much. Just color here very slightly. The texture here should be barely visible. And this will be our simple illustration for this lesson. It's very fun and very easy.